Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you Mitsubishi Triton, the one we got. So we have a computer display in there just flicking in the video, but it's not flicking like that, it's stable. And we have a stereo in here. Now we need to replace the stereo from this one, so we need to put that computer in there, and this stereo will take it out, and we're gonna put double-in stereo in here. So let's start it. For a double-in stereo in Triton, we need this fitting kit. This is the model number, and this fitting kit has a kit for this one and this one. So we're gonna put this computer under there, and this one we got a new one for this. So we're gonna install a new one in here, and other fitting kit under here. With the help of these two tools, you can take this unit out just like that. And now we need to remove that one. We got a lot of videos on the YouTube to how to remove these panels, so I'm not gonna show how to remove this, but I'm gonna show you how to install it. So once you take that part out, it will be like this. So in new fitting kit, we have got this part which will allow us to put the display on. Now how can we do it? This part going to sit on the top just like that, and we need to put those display back here, all the buttons here which comes with the kit, and our new stereo will sit there. So we need to remove the display. So we need to take the frame out, and then we need to take this display out from here. This is our new frame. We need to put that one like this. It comes with all the buttons. So now I'm gonna put this one into that one, then I'll show you once it's done. To take the display out from this one, we need to take these 4 screws out from here. So once you take the 4 screws out, you can take the display out from this old frame, and this display is ready to go in the new frame. So we don't need to use any extension for the computer and the stereo harness, because it's already got enough wiring loom inside the dashboard, so you don't need any extension for that. Just move wires here and there for your installation. It's easy, and there's no need for any other adapter that you need to use it for computer, or you need it for your stereo. So we got a stereo Kenwood 5020S, which is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So in this stereo we have a ISO connection from the back for the power and speakers. So we got this adapter which is plug and play adapter for Mitsubishi. Just need to plug into the main harness of Mitsubishi and just plug into your stereo. It will start working. There's no problem at all. And for the steering wheel control connection, we got this adapter here. So this little adapter has 2 wires, which is for our steering wheel. In this little adapter here, you can find your steering wheel harness. So number 3 and number 10. This is pin number. This is a wiring color. So this red with the yellow is your steering wheel control 1, and the red with white is your steering wheel ground. So everything is sorted. As you can see, our display computer is here. All the buttons are working. So this button needs to be the soft touch. If you see it's hard, you can't make it work. You need to file them. So everything is nice and clean. As you can see, our steering wheel controls are working as well.